Hi, I'm Melissa Muir. In my last video with Foredom, I introduced you to their bench lathe and showed you a few of the different attachments that you can use to give it more versatility. Sometimes when you are working with a polishing machine, it can be a little bit overwhelming with all the different accessories. And in this video, I'd like to introduce you to two kits that were created together with Werner. Now, Wayne is a very talented, well-known artist as well, and he came up with a couple of kits to really get you started. The first is going to be for grinding and sanding, and the second kit is going to then get you from a pre-polish all the way to the finished end. So let's take a look at those now. Another one of my favorite kits, the AK3375, and then these are Trizact. Trizacts are a very interesting abrasive made by 3M. It has a triangular structure, and as that structure breaks down, it actually creates new little triangular pieces for a fresh abrasive. This is going to be used for finishing and pre-polishing. You're going to use this on metals, plastics, and composites. Now, there are 28 pieces, so we've got 3 each of these little sanding bands, as well as a coordinating 1/4 inch mandrel. Then you have, addition to that, you've got 2 each of the sanding pads. And then again, it also comes with its coordinating 1/4 inch mandrel for that. Now, the grits on this it goes for both of them, is the 400, 600, 1200, and 2500. So we're taking this up to a pretty fine finish. Now this kit is going to be used with that CHA 5 or that collet holder that I showed you guys a little earlier in the video. So to attach one of these barrels, what you'll do is take one of your mandrels. It has a rubber core on this. You'll just simply slide this on into place, and then there's a little gnarled section right here, and you're just going to twist that until it tightens, and that's going to pull this down and force that little rubber section to move out and expand and hold everything into place. Now, if you've got that 1/4 inch collet inside of your flex shaft, all you need to do is insert that, tighten it up, and you're ready to go. Now, to attach one of our disc pads, what I like to do is come in and I will pull off the backing of this. And so it's just a self-adhesive. And I'll take my little mandrel here, place it face down in the center of my pad, and now I'm ready to go. So this is another really popular kit. This is the Werner polishing kit, or the AK3371. There are 57 pieces that come included in this. So first you have 2 4-inch soft cotton buffs. The cotton buffs are going to be great for your final polishing with compound on your precious metals, especially good for karat gold and for silver. Shellac reinforced here at the center pinhole so that it will fit tightly onto your tapered mandrel. Then it also includes 2 3-inch felt buffs. Now these are square edge solid felt buff, which is made of a tightly compressed wool felt. It's a rock hard density for polishing into grooves and crevices. It also has the pinhole center for, again, mounting on this tapered polishing spindle. You will again use this for the compounds for cutting and polishing. Next, you do have a couple of different polishing compounds. So you have platinum blue and we have platinum white. The platinum blue is going to be really good for things on precious metals, hard metals such as platinum and steel, but again, you can use it on a few other things as well. Then you also have the platinum white. The platinum white is going to be for your final polishing. So your blue is for your cutting down and your white is for your final polishing. The white is going to produce a really deep luster, high color finish on platinum, gold, silver, and all of your different metals. In addition to kind of our traditional polishing system that we have with the felt and the cotton buffs, we also have the Radial discs by 3M. Now these are abrasive filled bristles that will apply a continuous and fresh supply of mineral to the workpiece, and so it doesn't require any compound. The flexible brushes are going to reach into the grooves and the contours of irregular surfaces, so if you've got something that's not flat, say a ring or maybe maybe a pendant or a bracelet that has a lot of different crevices, these are really going to work into that, which is going to be great. And it goes everywhere from 80 grit all the way up to 14,000 grit. So you have quite a range here. Now you'll see that these are all mounted onto a gray spindle. And what that is going to allow me to do is to mount it onto the left side of my polishing arbor. Now you've already seen in this video how on the right hand side I've been using a few different attachments that are right side specific. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mount these so that they will go onto the left side. So we have a little mandrel into this, and you just tighten this up like so, and it is ready to go. So there are included 7 of the gray and 2 of the black. The black are meant for the right side. So if you wanted to mount these on the right side of your bench lathe, you could do that. In my case, I want all of them on the left, so that's where I will put those. Now the radial discs have 6 of each of the different grits or the colors, and I highly suggest that you include all 6, but you want to use no less than 3 at a time. So you could put 3 on here, 4, 5, or 6, but like I said, I highly suggest the 6, but no less than 3 when you're using these. So as you can see, there is quite a bit here that will make your job easier. The thing I like about these kits is that it takes the guesswork out of things. Everything is included, so you have all of your mandrels as well as moving from one end to the next. It's a very easy progression. So I hope that helps answer a few of the questions you might have. We'll see you guys next time.